Hello traders, you are welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we're just going to be diving into the super trend profit indicator for MT4, one of the effective tools for identifying trends in the Forex market. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this tool provides clear buy and sell signals that can help you make better trading decisions. Now, let us just quickly break it down and see exactly how it works. All right. Let's add the super trend profit indicator. Now, the super trend profit indicator is designed to help traders spot the prevailing market trend and give them high probability buy and sell signals. It works by using two main features, which is the dynamic trend line and the text informer system. First of all, let us talk about the dynamic trend line. As you can see, this line is key to detecting trend reversals and defining whether the market is in a bullish or bearish trend. When the line turns red, it signals that the market is entering a bearish trend. This is your cue to look for sell opportunities. For example, we can see that we had a good sell opportunity around here as the price got rejected from the trend line, and you can see this gravestone doji that formed around here. Stop loss can be above the previous swing high. Take profit can be around key support zones. Okay. On the other hand, when the line turns dark turquoise, or basically when it turns blue, it indicates the start of a bullish trend, and that's when you should start looking for buy opportunities. Sometimes, you might get a precise buy signal, which we did here. Unlike in this case, we didn't exactly get a sell signal, but we got a sell around here. Okay, we actually did get a sell signal. Wow. Yes, there was a sell signal. So because the indicator usually gives buy signal and sell signals. So you can see we even had a sell signal around here. So you can just watch out for a buy signal after the price has crossed above the moving average, and that is crossed above the indicator, and then the color has changed to blue. Look for buy opportunities. This would have been a good place to enter a buy after this bullish candlestick formed. Then stop loss can be below the previous swing low. Take profit can be at predetermined resistance zones, or you can decide to wait for the color of the indicator to change back to red before exiting your buy. So whichever method that you prefer. So how do you use this indicator to time your trades? It's pretty simple. You just wait for the dynamic line to change color. If it turns from red to blue, it means the trend is shifting from bearish to bullish, and it could be a good time to buy. If it turns from blue to red, it means the trend is shifting from bullish to bearish, and you should start thinking about selling. All right, then you should also confirm the signal by checking if the price closes above the dynamic line for a buy signal or below the dynamic line for a sell signal. This is your entry point for the trade. When the price is above the dynamic line, it means the market is more likely to continue its upward trend. When it is below the dynamic line, the market is more likely to move downwards. Okay, but that is not all. The text informer system adds another layer of clarity. This system displays buy and sell signals right on your chart. These signals are easy to understand and give you extra confidence in making the right decision. Now, what makes the super trend profit indicator especially useful is its ability to quickly detect trend reversals and highlights when the momentum is shifting. It's perfect for traders who want to take advantage of market trends and trend reversals without getting bogged down by market noise. The indicator actually works on any time frame. So whether you were trading scalping, day trading, or swing trading, it adapts to your style. However, it's particularly effective when used on longer time frames where market trends are clearer and less prone to noise. Now let's just quickly review the steps to use the super trend profit indicator. First of all, you need to wait for the dynamic line to turn from red to blue or from blue to red. All right, red to blue for a buy trend, blue to red for a sell trend. Then you wait for the price to close above the dynamic line for a clear buy entry signal, or you wait for the price to close below the dynamic line for a sell entry signal, below for a sell, above for a buy. Then the text informer system will confirm whether it's a buy or a sell signal. All right, so the text informer is going to tell you whether it's time to sell, whether it's time to buy. Once confirmed, you are ready to enter the market in the direction of the trend. All right, so this approach gives you a high probability entry and exit points, making the super trend profit indicator a fantastic tool for any trader looking to trade in line with the market's momentum. Meanwhile, ensure that you also observe good risk to reward ratios, employ good risk management strategies, do not trade with an amount you cannot afford to lose, do not risk more than 1 to 2% of your account balance in a single trade, and ensure that you have good risk to reward ratios. If you're entering a trade, your stop loss level should be above swing highs. If you're entering a sell trade, right? Then if you're entering a buy trade, your stop loss level should be below swing lows, all right? And then your target profit should be at least ×2 of what you are risking. Okay? That's the risk to reward ratio of 1:2. This approach gives you a high probability entry and exit points. And as a result, you can, take good advantage of this indicator. And that is it for this breakdown of the super trend profit indicator for MT4. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on more Forex trading tips and strategies. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.